गोयची राजकीय आशिर्वादांत तशेंच गुवळी वखदां वेव्हाराक तेंको दिवपी पुलिसां खातीर गोंयांत गुवळी वखदांचो वेव्हार पातळपाक लागला। हे सगळे उंचेल्या पावड्या वयल्या राजकीय पक्षाच्या फुडाऱ्यांच्या आशिर्वादान चलता असो आरोप काँग्रेसीचो फुडारी कार्लोस फरेरा हांणी केला। गुवळी वखदांच्या वेव्हाराचे प्रकरण आयचे आनी कालचे न्ही जाल्यार फाटल्या 6 वर्सां सावन हें चलता। सध्याचे सरकार हे विशीं गंभीर ना असो आरोपूय कार्लोसान केला।
How public prosecutor actually does, and among the success rate actually very high. I think about 95%. And in drugs cases, I never spared anyone because I felt on our shoulders, you never know. One day it would be learn actually. One day it may affect my children, it may affect my family members, and this is going to be a problem for everyone. So I was very strict and tough on this. But even that time, indications actually that certain high-level politicians were involved in this trend, and it's not that it is going on without their message. There are certain black, I would say, black spot, like a black spot are like that. There are black sheep in the police also who are involved in the trend. You will know it better than me. Very well aware. Police have their network, and I think the police can do a good job. When the chief minister spoke very strongly, daily 2-3 raids पडटा लोकां दोतात, तर ते खंयसून भायर सरले आतां, ते खंय आशिल्ले? Or is it only a superficial farce म्हूण दाखोवपाक कोत्तात म्हूण स्टॅटिस्टिक्स दाखोवपाक आनी मागीर कांय जाचना फुडें?